Hello guys, Steve RC, the Blitzer Beetle's all revved up and ready to go as promised. This is a brushless system, 2050 kV, full ball bearings, metal gear. Let's hit the sand. Uh-oh, I lost steering, guys. What the heck? I lost my steering for a second. Oh. This thing sounds nasty. Sounds like freaking plastic. Jeez, it wants to go to the left. This thing's hard to drive in the sand. Let's fish down all over the place. Oh! Look at that! I dug that out like a beauty. Now I'm in for a real clean job. It's hard to keep this thing straight. I'm trying to hit like little jump things, but real hard. This sand is so loose and soft, it's like crazy. Fun now. I had better rear tires. These stock ones here. They're all filled up, but they're not too good. This thing has the loudest sounding gearbox ever. I have to take it on this spot here. Try to get some of this sand out of it. Oh. want to go too crazy and break it. It's like a perfect speed for this thing. Oh, all right. Park this bug next to a real bug. And there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this rip. I know I did. Old faithful Blitzer Beetle always puts a smile on your face. Boy, that fan's loud. Not too bad for in the sand. I'll have to clean up the air compressor. She'll be ready to run for another day. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave me all the good stuff. Sub, like, comments, everything helps the channel out. See you next time.